G'day, it's Stokesy here and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just down here at Jump 10 outside the Chonburi immigration office because I'm due to do my first 90-day reporting. The purpose of the 90-day reporting is for immigration just to keep a track of where you are, where you're living, your information, etc. And because this is my first 90-day reporting, I have to do it in person. But once you've done your first one in person, you can do subsequent ones online. So I will let you know, I've been told when you enter Thailand, if you leave the country and then come back before your 90 days, you don't have to worry about 90-day reporting. But because I'm now here, this is actually my 90th day since I moved here to Thailand, I'm going to have to come here and do my 90-day reporting. So I just thought I'd do a video on it because I know it could be something that people might be worried about when they're living here. You know, what 90-day reporting is, what's the process, and how they go about it. So I'll go in, go through the process, and then I'll tell you all about my experience. One thing I will say is, you know, I'm not an expert, so if you're really worried about getting 100% correct information, make sure you go through a visa agent. So I've just finished my 90-day reporting at immigration. The whole process really isn't that complicated actually, and it took me probably about 45 minutes. I'm just about to go to my favourite breakfast cafe here in Jump 10, and while I'm having breakfast I'll explain to you the whole process and what documents you need. So I'll see you at the cafe. So now here I am at Qulture Cafe for breakfast. It's one of my favourite cafes in Pattaya. It's located on Jump 10 Second Road next to the Riviera Jump 10. And as you can see, it has a very nice aesthetic and feel on the inside. And I'll show you the menu now. It's quite extensive, but I thought I'd show it to you because I really like it and you can see for yourself. So there's like coffees. Here you have like your iced drinks. You have your iced teas like peach. Smoothies. Smoothies are really good as well. Your juices. Your Italian sodas, they had some really nice flavors. Yeah, your bakery goods like croissants, breads, cupcakes, and whatnot. French toast is pretty good as well. Pancakes. And then you got your breakfast. So the biscuits and gravy, I like that gravy there. And you got all your different breakfasts. There's a good one which is fried chicken, sausage, eggs, and bacon. But my favorite is the fried chicken. So you can get fried chicken burgers, lobster tail, fries, and then there's oxtail and grits, which I've tried before, which is pretty good. So I'm just waiting for my food here at Qulture Cafe. I've just come outside to talk because it's a bit noisy inside with the music, so I don't want it to overdraw what I'm saying. Then again, actually it's a bit noisy out here with the traffic. So to do the 90-day reporting, you just need a TM47, which is the personal particulars form, like your name, your address, your passport number, your telephone number. You also need a copy of your passport bio page, so your front page obviously with your photo, your passport details, expiry, whatnot. The next bit you need is a photocopy of your entry stamp when you came into Thailand. So it doesn't matter what visa you're on. I'm on a DTE visa, so that's what mine is. You also need your TM30, which when you first move into your accommodation, it doesn't matter what accommodation, whether you're renting, Airbnb, whatnot, the landlord / owner should do a TM30, which is just registering with Thai immigration that you're actually staying in that address. So when do you need to do your 90-day reporting? You can do your 90-day reporting up to 15 days before your due date of 90 days, or you can do it 7 days after your 90 days due. But if you fail to do it within those time frames, it can cost you 2,000 baht when you actually go to immigration to do your 90-day reporting. Or if you get caught by the immigrations in a spot check or whatnot, it'll actually cost you 5,000 baht. So it's in your best interest to go get it done when it's due, so it doesn't cause you any problems. time to eat, and this is my favorite meal at Qulture. Breakfast burrito and fried chicken with peach iced tea and Thai milk tea. Yum. So that's my experience with doing the 90-day reporting. I hope my insight can allay any fears or concerns that you may have about doing the 90-day reporting when you're moved here and living in Thailand for 90 days. I know it caused me a little bit of anxiety. Not really that much, but you know, it's just another like immigration progress that you need to do to stay here, live in Thailand. And you know, with any bureaucratic process, you know, there's always a possibility that things can go wrong, and you know, it can affect your stay here in Thailand. But really, yeah, it's a very simple process. And I'll just add in as well, come check out Qulture Cafe if you're really into your American food, because like I've lived over in the US for a couple of years, and the food here rivals any that I've ever had in the United States. So you'll definitely be in for a treat and enjoy some great food if you come here and eat. And if you're lucky enough as well to meet the owner Brandon, he's a chef as well, so really great guy, and yeah, he's very accommodating and makes you feel very welcome, as well as, you know, providing a great menu as I've showed in the video. Like, I think the menu is like really great. I'll put the link to the Instagram page for Qulture Cafe so then you can check it out for yourself. And as always, you know, I appreciate all the support that I get on my channel, and I greatly appreciate all the comments and support that I do get. So with that, it's really hot, so I'm gonna get some a bowl or something to get home, because yeah, I want to get back on my air conditioning. So anyway, with that, I'm gonna say goodbye for now and look forward to seeing you in my next video. Cheers until then.